The only people who get it are the people who get it. Welcome back to Jay Get It, where we continue our journey to master ACH, the Automated Clearinghouse. In this video, we'll explore the different types of ACH transactions. So let's jump right in. Today, we're going to learn about the different types of ACH transactions you can do using ACH. It's like discovering a treasure trove of payment possibilities. Imagine you're receiving your paycheck directly into your bank account, or setting up automatic bill payments. These are called direct deposits and direct payments. These are two common types of ACH transactions. Direct deposits make life easier by depositing your paycheck directly into your bank account. No more waiting in line to cash a check. And with direct payments, you can set up automatic bill payments, like your electricity bill or phone bill. It's super convenient. But wait, there's more. ACH can do even more exciting things. Another fascinating type of ACH transaction is business-to-business payments. This allows businesses to pay each other electronically, making it efficient and saving time. It's like giving a virtual high five to other businesses. And for those personal transactions, we have person-to-person payments. It's like sending money to your friend or family member electronically, just like sending a digital hug. That's right, with person-to-person payments, you can split a bill, pay back a friend, or even contribute to a group gift. It's simple, quick, and you don't even need a cash or checks. ACH can even handle electronic checks. Instead of writing a physical check, you can send an electronic version using ACH. It's like checks 2.0. And don't forget, there are even more types of ACH transactions out there, each serving different needs and purposes. Exploring them opens up a world of possibilities. By understanding the various types of ACH transactions, you'll have the power to choose the right payment method for each situation. Only the people who get it are the people who get it. So let's keep exploring together and unlock the full potential of ACH. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to Jay Get His channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into ACH process. See you soon. Remember to subscribe and become part of the ACH crew. Together, let's continue mastering ACH and unlocking its amazing capabilities. Thanks for watching.